Previewing strategy. Previewing is a strategy used before reading a text to get a sense of its content, structure, and purpose. It involves quickly surveying the text to gather initial, reading the title, headings, subheadings, and any highlighted or bolded text, examining any visuals, such as graphs, charts, or images, noticing any keywords or key phrases that stand out. Glancing at the introduction and conclusion paragraphs. Skimming through the text to get an overview. Previewing helps you develop expectations and prepare your mind for what you are about to read, making it easier to comprehend the text. Extra textual framing involves using external information to enhance understanding while reading an academic text. It refers to the process of considering the broader context in which the text is situated, reviewing the author's background or expertise, exploring related research or publications, considering the historical, cultural, or social context that influenced the text, understanding the purpose or intention behind the text. Extra textual framing helps you gain a deeper understanding of the text by connecting it to relevant outside knowledge. Intertextual framing. Intertextual framing involves making connections between the current text being read and other texts or sources. It is the act of relating ideas, concepts, or arguments from different sources to each other. This strategy helps in identifying viewpoints across multiple texts, contrasting or comparing different perspectives on a topic, building a more comprehensive understanding by drawing upon various.
Circumtextual framing.
Circumtextual framing involves considering the text structure, organization, and features to aid comprehension. It focuses on understanding how the text is constructed and how its parts contribute to the whole. This includes analyzing the text's headings, subheadings, and paragraph structure.
Subscribe.
Identifying any transitional phrases or signal words, paying attention to the text's logical flow and argumentation, recognizing any visual aids, such as tables, graphs, or diagrams, and understanding how they support the text. Circumtextual framing helps you navigate through the text more effectively and grasp the author's intended message.
To watch more, subscribe.
Skimming and scanning. Skimming and scanning are speed reading techniques used to quickly locate specific information within a text. They are particularly useful when you need to review a large amount of material in a limited time. Here's a breakdown of each technique. Like, share,
subscribe.
Skimming. Skimming involves rapidly glancing over the text to get a general idea of its content. You can skim by reading the title, headings, and first sentences of paragraphs while also paying attention to any emphasized or highlighted text. Skimming helps you quickly identify the main points. Scanning. Scanning is a technique used to locate specific information within a text. Instead of reading the entire text, you scan by moving your eyes quickly and systematically, looking for keywords, phrases, or specific details that match your search criteria. Scanning helps you find relevant information efficiently. Both skimming and scanning can save time when you need to gather information quickly, but they may not provide a deep understanding of the text.
Contextualizing.
Contextualizing refers to the act of providing background or situational information that helps to understand or interpret something. It involves taking into account the circumstances, surroundings, and relevant factors that contribute to the meaning or significance of a particular event, statement, or piece of information. In many cases, contextualizing is necessary in order to avoid misinterpretation or confusion. Without proper context, it can be difficult to understand the meaning or intent behind something, or to make informed decisions based on the information available. Examples of situations where contextualizing might be necessary include interpreting historical events, understanding the meaning of a particular word or phrase, or making sense of a complex scientific concept. In each of these cases, providing context can help to clarify and deepen our understanding.
Like, share, subscribe.